Norway has confirmed the deployment of F-35A Lightning II stealth fighter jets to Poland as part of efforts to strengthen NATO's air defense in Eastern Europe. This move comes amid increased Russian military air activity over the Baltic Sea, which has raised concerns about regional stability. According to an official statement from the Norwegian Ministry of Defense, the deployment is a form of contribution to NATO's collective deterrence efforts. The fighter jets will help safeguard Polish airspace and protect critical logistics routes connecting NATO member states with Ukraine. The situation in the Baltic region is becoming increasingly uncertain. The presence of the F-35A will strengthen NATO's readiness and air surveillance capabilities, a Norwegian defense official said in a press release on Monday, June 30th. Response to Russian maneuvers. This deployment follows a series of air incidents that have occurred in recent weeks. One of the most notable occurred on May 22nd, when a Russian Su-24 tactical bomber reportedly performed dangerous maneuvers over international waters in the Baltic Sea. Polish fighter jets under NATO command were deployed to intercept it. The incident adds to a long list of Russian air provocations that have reportedly increased in recent months. At the same time, Moscow is also reported to have reactivated several Soviet-era military bases and concentrated more than 50,000 troops near the Sumy region of Ukraine. Additional forces from the West. Norway's move complements the air presence of allied countries that have already strengthened Poland's skies. The United States has sent F-22 Raptor fighter jets, while the United Kingdom has deployed a number of Typhoon jets in the same region. The presence of the F-35A adds depth to NATO's air defense system, which has been operating at a high state of readiness. The F-35A is known as a fifth-generation multi-role fighter jet, with stealth capabilities and advanced sensor systems. In addition to its offensive capabilities, the aircraft also serves as an aerial intelligence platform and network-based battle control system. Its presence in Poland is considered crucial for addressing evolving threats in the region. Strategic signal to Moscow. Amid rising geopolitical tensions, the deployment of advanced fighter jets to NATO's eastern flank sends a clear strategic message to Russia. Defense analysts assess that aggressive military maneuvers in the Baltic region will not go unanswered. This is a signal that NATO remains solid in the face of threats on its borders. Poland and the Baltic states are not alone, a military analyst from a European regional security agency told The Guardian. Collective defense put to the test. This deployment is also part of NATO's strategy to strengthen its defense posture amid the dynamics of the Ukraine conflict and tensions that show no signs of abating. The alliance has emphasized that any violation of a member state's airspace will be taken seriously. With the increasing threats and escalation in the eastern region, the presence of Norway's F-35A is believed to strengthen NATO's position, provide security guarantees for frontline members, and reaffirm the collective commitment to safeguarding European airspace. New dynamics in the Baltic region. The Baltic region is now at the center of European defense dynamics. This region is located between Russia and NATO member states such as Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania, all of which have a dark history under Soviet influence. In recent months, Russian military activity in the region has sharply increased, creating new tensions that have forced NATO to adjust its security strategy. According to reports from various Western intelligence sources, Russia has increased the frequency of unauthorized military flights near NATO airspace and reactivated radars and military facilities in Kaliningrad, a Russian exclave bordering Poland and Lithuania. Analysts view these measures as a form of political and military pressure, as well as an attempt by Moscow to demonstrate its strength amid economic pressure and diplomatic isolation resulting from its invasion of Ukraine. A test of collective strength. The deployment of Norwegian F-35s amid the growing military presence of other allies in the region reflects how NATO continues to test and strengthen the principle of collective defense that underpins the alliance. Article 5 of the NATO Treaty states that an attack against one member is considered an attack against all. However, before reaching that stage, such deterrent forces serve as the most effective tool of military diplomacy. Deterrence is about demonstrating readiness, not just intent, and the presence of F-35A aircraft in Poland is a manifestation of that readiness, said Tomasz Kowalski, a defense analyst from the Warsaw Security Forum. Conclusion: Eastern European skies under global scrutiny. The skies over Eastern Europe are now the most closely watched in the continent. Amid the ongoing conflict in Ukraine and deteriorating Western-Russian relations, every move in the air carries strategic consequences. For NATO, the deployment of the F-35A is not just about military strengthening, but also a political message and a collective assurance. And for the world, it serves as a reminder that regional stability remains fragile and can only be maintained through vigilance, cooperation, and shared commitment.